My name is Lakshmi, and I specialize in seamlessly aligning technology with business objectives. With deep expertise in SAP, including advanced capabilities in SAP ABAP, SAP Web Pro ABAP, SAP BTP, SAP UI5, and SAP Theory. I have successfully tackled a wide range of complex IT challenges in my career. My focus has always been on turning those challenges into efficient, automated, and user friendly solutions that boost productivity and drive innovation. Today, I will be speaking about an exciting topic enhancing employee self service in SAP HR using SAP Wi-Fi and Java. I will walk you through how we can leverage these technologies to create streamlined and responsive user experience for employees and managers. In an era where efficiency and self service capabilities are crucial, employee self service has become a vital tool in empowering employees and streamlining HR process. I will cover SAP HR, SAP UI5, Java's role in this architecture, and how these technologies work together to create more efficient and user-friendly employee self-service solutions. Enhancing employee self-service in SAP HR using SAP UI5 and Java. This topic is divided into an overview of SAP HR, introduction to SAP UI5, importance of employee self-service, Java's role in SAP UI5 applications, integration of SAP HR with SAP UI5 and Java, JavaScript in real-time data updates, key benefits of SAP UI5 in employee self-service, advantages of using Java, JavaScript, and SAP UI5 in SAP HR. Overview of SAP HR. Employee records management. SAP HR enables efficient storage and management of all employee-related data, such as personal information, job history, qualifications, and employment contracts. Time and attendance management. The time management module tracks working hours, overtime, leave requests, and absence. It ensures employees' work schedule are efficiently managed and supports integration with payroll to process overtime and leave requests. Payroll processing. The payroll module automates salary calculations, tax deductions, and other compensation elements such as bonus, overtime, and benefits. Benefit administration. HR manages employee benefits, including health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off. It automates the enrollment process, tracks employee benefit choices, and ensures accurate payments and compliance with local regulations. Introduction to SAP UI5. SAP UI5 is a powerful development toolkit designed by SAP built on standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It provides developers with a comprehensive framework to create modern, responsive, and enterprise-ready applications that work seamlessly across different devices and screen sizes. HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript foundation. SAP UI5 uses HTML5 to structure the content of web applications, enabling rich schematic web pages that are both functional and visually appealing. CSS. It leverages CSS for styling and layout, helping developers to create visually consistent and customizable designs across various platforms. JavaScript. SAP UI5 is heavily JavaScript based, providing the interactivity and logic that drive dynamic user interfaces. It includes a wide array of pre-built controls and functions to streamline the development process. Responsive design. SAP UI5 is designed to create responsive web applications, meaning that UI automatically adjusts to different screen sizes, orientations, and resolutions. Rich set of UI controls. SAP UI5 offers a rich library of reusable UI components such as tables, forms, charts, and buttons, which can be easily customized to meet specific needs. These controls follow modern design principles and offer support accessibility standards, making it easier to build complex user interfaces. The importance of employee self-service. Employee self-service allows the employees to manage their own HR-related tasks, such as new requests, and personal information updates without needing HR intervention. Why employee self-service is so important? Employee self-service increases efficiency, reduces administrative overhead, and empowers employees by giving them access to their own data. Role in SAP Wi-Fi applications. JavaScript as a backbone of SAP Wi-Fi. JavaScript plays a crucial role in enabling client-side scripting, interactivity, and responsiveness in SAP Wi-Fi applications. It provides the dynamic logic that allows SAP Wi-Fi applications to respond to user actions, interact with backend services, and ensure smooth, responsive experience across different devices. A key JavaScript concept: variable and function, DOM manipulation, asynchronous programming, event handling. Let's talk a little bit more. Variables stores data value in JavaScript. You can declare variables using var, let, or const, depend on the use case. Let and const are block scoped, while var is function scoped. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. You can pass data to functions and return values from them. Function allows you to reuse the code and keep your applications organized. DOM, the document object model, represents the HTML structure of a web page. JavaScript can modify DOM to update the content dynamically without needing to reload the entire page. Asynchronous programming. Promises and async await are used to handle asynchronous operations, like fetch data from API without blocking the main thread. Using async await makes the code more readable. This code awaits the API call to complete and then process the data. Event handling. JavaScript can host events triggered by users, such as clicking the buttons, submitting forms, or pressing on any keys. You can attach event listeners to elements to perform actions when an event occurs. These are the fundamental concepts to build interactive and dynamic web applications in JavaScript. Integration of SAP HR with SAP UI5 and Java. Java for backend logic, SAP UI5 for frontend, role of OData services. Java is responsible for managing business logic, data processing, and backend services. UI5 creates a front-end user experience, and JavaScript handles the real-time interactions. OData services facilitates the communication between SAP HR and SAP UI5 by allowing the real-time data exchange, like retrieving and updating the employee's data. Real-time data updates. Using Ajax, and Ajax is a technique that allows the web application to update the part of the pages dynamically without requiring a full reload. It is commonly used to make web pages feel more responsive and interactive, especially for real-time data updates. Client-side request. So when a user performs an action like clicking a button or submitting a form, JavaScript sends an AJAX request to the server. Asynchronous process. In asynchronous process, the page doesn't need to refresh. Instead, JavaScript handles the request in the background. Server-side response. So the server-side response, the server processes the request and returns the data, often in the form of JSON or XML. The JavaScript on the client side processes the return data and updates a part of web pages without reloading the entire page. Handling asynchronous data flow between the front end and the back end, here between the SAP UI5 and Java, is very crucial to create a responsive and smooth user experience. Asynchronous communication ensures that the UI remains interactive while in the backend process requests and sends the response. This approach prevents the UI from freezing during the long-running operations, enhancing the overall performance of web pages. Synchronous programming executes the code that doesn't block further execution. The system continues running while the other task waiting for the data to be fetched or processed. Key benefits of SAP UI5 in employees and service. SAP UI5 applications are responsive and mobile friendly, providing employees with an responsive interface. Customization: SAP UI5 user interface to be tailored to organizational branding and specific needs. Real-time data synchronization with OData services. Data between SAP HR and user interface is always current, providing accurate and up-to-date information. Advantages of using Java, JavaScript, and UI5 in HR applications. The first advantage is modular development. Java for backend process. JavaScript is for front-end interaction, and SAP UI5 for user interface design, making the system flexible and scalable. Real-time updates through JavaScript enable for page reloads, creating a more efficient and seamless user experience. Scalability. The combination of Java, JavaScript, and SAP Wi-Fi allows for easy scaling of SAP HR systems to accommodate further functionalities and large user base. Benefits. Integration of SAP HR with UI5 and Java improves efficiency, empowers the employees, and reduces the HR administrative workload, which really benefits the business. Future outlook highlights the future trends and future development UI and UX developments for HR systems, such as adopting advanced JavaScript frameworks like React or Angular and incorporating AI and machine learning for personalized employee experience.